Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Cha. Marami pang darating na birthday sa iyo at maraming blessing darating. God bless you, Ma'am Cha. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Ma'am Cha. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and good health always. Ingat ka palagi dyan at salamat sa mga blessings na ginashare sa amin. Sana marami ka pang blessings nga matanggap. Once again, happy birthday and God bless. We love you always. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Sis Chari. Enjoy your day. Thank you sa lahat ng mga blessing na na-share mo sa amin. At sana lagi ka lang malusog. Enjoy your day, sis. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. God bless. God help.
Hi, Ma'am Chari. Happy birthday. Stay pretty and sexy. God bless po. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi sa work. Happy birthday po. Hintayin po namin ulit yung banding natin pag uwi mo. Mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Chari. Wish ko sa'yo good health and more birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Ma'am Chari. Happy birthday po. Wishing you a beautiful and blessed birthday. Stay pretty always and more blessings to come. God bless you po. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, Ma'am Cha. Una po sa lahat, happy birthday. Sana lagi kayong lakas at matatag, lalo na sa inyong pamilya. More birthday to come. Happy birthday.
Ma'am Chari, binabati po kita ng maligayang kaarawan ngayong March 24. Yes po, ang wish po namin ng Team Loyal ay more birthdays to come, more years to come, at enjoy your day. Lagi ka pong mag-iingat dyan sa Russia. Yan lamang po, Ma'am Chari. Thank you always po. Alam mo na yan.
Happy birthday, you made it to a whole new year. Happy birthday, blessings to come.